All protocols observed. Good evening, golfers. Thank you so much for gracing the Unicala Golf Tournament. We are so proud as Unicala for you having participated in today's event. It was a good event, and we thank you for continuing to support us as a Unicala as a company. We are so proud to be associated with this club, and thank you, Chairman. Chairman is who taught us the ropes in terms of how to do sponsorship and how we can be able to do business here with a lot of members here. Most of you are our customers, and we are really grateful for your support. You continue to be very instrumental in our business, and we are so proud. And in the future, we will continue doing more and even making more, even coming in bigger ways, and seeing where we can be able to partner with the club in the best way we can be able to assist. Before I can go further, I'll invite my team here before we can do the presentation. As in Unicala and United Pins, we have a band ile uko kazini. They can come here and the DJ uko na national anthem yetu hapo. Ukuje kwanza tupige national anthem ya United Pins. Ndio presentation ianze. Sina anthem ndio inaanzaga. Na msimame hata nyinyi ndio mheshimu kampuni ya United Pins. This is my team. We are more than this. We are over 100 employees for United Pins. So, DJ, when you are ready, go to the United for the purpose. United for united. We are the stream of beauty. United for united. United for the purpose. United for united. Quality affordable, quality experience. National anthem ya United Pins, na huwa tunajivunia kama United Paints. United Paints is a company and Unicolour is our premium brand.